We are taking everybody inside a sound stage. We are about to enter stage 50, the only sound stage in Hollywood that has 2 levels. The second level is fully dressed. It looks like a busy urban street scene. At this level, the ground level is also dressed. It is actually a hot set, meaning everything is ready for filming. The crew is taking a break right now, but they have left everything ready for the next shot. So please don't touch anything, stay seated. You can take as many pictures as you like. Just don't touch anything, stay seated. And just also hold on to your belongings. Okay, the set is fully dressed, meaning fully decorated. It looks like a subway station. On the right hand side, next to corner 1, I can see welcome to San Francisco. We were just in Los Angeles, now we're in San Francisco. What is happening? Everybody stay seated.
They've just opened up what we call the elephant doors, these large sliding doors on the soundstage. We're going to make our way in. Again, production's going to let us take a look around. And think about all that stuff, all those details we were just discussing. Try to use that as you look around to figure out what kind of scene are they filming? What is the tone of this scene? What is the overall genre of this production, you think? As you look, remember to stay seated, keep your arms and legs inside the tram. In theory, again, it's a hot set, they could start rolling at any point, but we shouldn't have to worry about that. We'll take a quick look and then head out. You'll see the cameras ready to go, everything's in place. The director just has to call action pretty much. Whoops, guys, hot set 101. Take the word action unless you really mean it. Okay, hold on tight. from a disaster number include. As we exit the stage here, guys, we're going to go to the quiet zone now. Promotion is happening close by. We're driving right by. Turn on the volume on clips here for us to see a little bit. Stands up.
It's supposed to mimic art and all that, but it's blue.